Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Welcome to the community of individuals who are calling the markets. We are making sure that we are getting in position to capitalize from the price movement based off what the trap lays down for us. If this is your first time watching our video, make sure, if you guys appreciate it, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. We want to ensure that you all can see price predictions being related on the price chart, all without being confused. So if that is interesting to you, make sure you hit that like button. Also subscribe to the channel. We have a second channel as well. If you are interested in the stock market and following the stocks, make sure you join us on our second YouTube channel at HueFin News 2. The link is in the description of the video. So now we're going to talk about Bitcoin. February the 9th was the last time we did our video for Bitcoin. You guys can see our price prediction right here of us expecting the price in Bitcoin to go higher in price. That has definitely came and played out the way that we expected it to do, which is nice to see. Now we need to understand and expect where the market is going to go now for Bitcoin, specifically in the long term. Okay, we're going to talk about some things that we're seeing in the long term for Bitcoin that many people who are bullish in the market for Bitcoin may not like. Okay, so first let's do this real quick. We're going to talk about our previous price prediction against what the trap has done. You guys can see that ultimately our TP price was tagged out on February the 16th, and we did our video, the prediction, on February the 19th. So not long ago, since we did our prediction, the market actually came and took out our TP area. If you were to want to catch on and hold the market for a while, i.e. 21st of February, 22nd, about 25% profitability right there. So that is very good. If you was able to call that particular market move, excellent job. We want to commend you for doing that exact thing. So now that is over. Let's go ahead and take this away and let's look at the market in Bitcoin now. Okay, we have already identified the overall trend into the market in Bitcoin, right? This market is actually obeying this line. Okay, we've seen the market in Bitcoin hold this trend twice. So now, obviously, from our perspective, we would be expecting the market to try to come and grab some support right alongside that ascending line. We're not there yet. So we still have ways to go in Bitcoin to see this market go lower. That's automatically. You can see that clear as day on the daily time frame. Now, once we get down to that ascending line, we will definitely have to see some strength entering the market to get any confirmation that this particular market in Bitcoin is ready to resume price higher. So until that time, our mindset needs to be, okay, we're looking for the market in Bitcoin to go lower. And if you guys can see, the market has already established that area of support as well, right here alongside $40,000. So if anything, from a daily perspective, we can see Bitcoin come all the way down to $40,000, which is, for this particular moment, another 8% away. Okay. Now let's look at the market in Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, and you all can see that this is severe weakness coming into the market right now in this current weekly price bar. 6 hours and 53 minutes left, and we are closing at the bottom end of the bar. $40,000 is definitely in line to be tagged out for support. Now, based off this spread on the weekly time frame, we can see the market in Bitcoin exceed that $40,000 price and go a lot lower. Are you ready for that? Because that is something that is on the horizon once we see the market in Bitcoin not hold $40,000 for support. This is the monthly time frame. You guys can see here that we've seen the market in Bitcoin consecutively 5 consecutive months. The market in Bitcoin continue to see higher price. Now, here we are for the month of February. We were able to see the market in Bitcoin come all the way up to $58,354.14. Who was the individual who purchased Bitcoin at that price? May be feeling some type of way today, because now the market is traded around 43,000. So what would your expectations be? The market in Bitcoin is weak. Alongside many other cryptocurrencies, we're seeing nothing but weakness as well. Here is a 3-week time frame into the market in Bitcoin, making all-time highs on the Bitstamp exchange. Okay, the market is taking a reprieve, it's taking a break, which is nothing wrong with that. Why? Because we are still seeing the trend still intact. The market has not broken that trend yet. It's time to worry once the trap comes and break that trend. Then the market in Bitcoin is extremely weak and we will be expecting lower price. Okay. So what do y'all think we need to do in our price prediction? If you wanted to call the market, what would you expect the market to do in Bitcoin? All of these differing time frames that we're looking at in Bitcoin is literally telling us that the market is weak. And there's nothing that you and I can do about it. We just simply need to play with the trend. Follow the trap. He is dropping hints on us every trading day. So we need to interpret that the best way we can and simply get in position so we can meet him where we expect price to go. So let's do this. We're going to go ahead and play the weakness into the market in Bitcoin. If you all saw our video yesterday during our Lookout live stream session, towards the end of that video, I talked about how we're still seeing the overall market weak. And this is one of the main reasons why we're still doing that today on this video for Bitcoin. There's two areas of support that I am seeing into the market in Bitcoin. Different depending on your time preference. $40,000 is where I'm looking at the market in Bitcoin in the long term, but I'm also seeing 42,000 as support too. Okay. So as we see the market in Bitcoin trade over the next couple of days, definitely keep your eyes open on $42,000. We can see the market try to hold support initially, but like I said, in the long term, $40,000 is definitely in play. Okay, for the long term in Bitcoin. And now we're going to hold the market restriction around, $48,000, maybe towards the highs of these particular bars, which is around 49. We can definitely see that as restriction as well. Okay. So we're playing in weakness. I'm going to take it down to around $38,000 though, even though we're going to try to TP out the market right there around 40,000. And definitely we all need to pay attention to the market once we come towards this ascending line to see if we get strength or not. And that's it. We're in position. We are under the premise that the market in Bitcoin is still weak and we're going to simply follow the trap. He's leading us to where he wants to go. And right now he wants to go lower. Questions, comments, as always, give us your price prediction for Bitcoin into the market. Where do you see the market being in the next 3 weeks? Wherever price be for us, we're expecting it to be lower than where we are right now. So tell everyone in our community, what are you expecting to see into the market for Bitcoin? And as always, just like our chart is clean, make sure your comment is clean as well. Okay. Don't make it complicated. Don't make it confusing. Simply tell us your expectation as to where price is going to go and where would you exit out the market. At what price would you take your profit? Questions, comments, as always, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability and trade different.